Hello viewers, I hope you're alright. Today we will show you how to install VPN and how to use block site. In Bangladesh now, in government restricted Facebook, YouTube. So I show you the way how to use the Facebook, YouTube and other block site using VPN. First of all, you go to the Play Store. Sometimes Play Store is not work because of restriction, but sometimes work. If your Play Store work, click on Play Store, then search VPN. In a search bars, you write it down VPN. Okay, then click on it. After that, you see lots of VPN. I usually prefer Super VPN. Any of them, you can use any of them, but I prefer Super VPN. You click on here. After that, I already installed. You know how to install. Just click on it. It's installed automatically. After that, you open your VPN. Sometimes it takes time because of your internet speed. In Bangladesh now, internet is very slow. It is now 3G speed. So after that, in a server list, you see there is a server list. Now it is UK. You can choose any of them. Okay, for example, I want US. Click on here, then connect. You click on connect. It takes time. Takes time sometimes. It's depend on your internet speed. After connect, it's not connect yet. If it is connect, you see there is a VPN. There is write it down VPN. You show the sign of a VPN, and you see the VPN is activate. You see VPN is activate. Here is Super VPN is on and VPN is activate. You show the sign. Now I try to use the Facebook. Click on Facebook and security password. I give my security password. After that, you see I can use my Facebook now. So now I want to use my YouTube. You click on YouTube. You click on YouTube, and I hope it's working now. You see now YouTube is working as well. So in this way, you can use your restricted site from this method. Okay, so on the other hand, you can use the other way also. Some device has a built-in VPN. You can activate this VPN as well. I show you the way the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.